Welcome to the channel. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to make your Jenkins pipelines run faster by using parallel stages and adding checkpoints. We'll see why this matters, walk through a live Jenkinsfile example, and finish with practical tips you can apply right away. Most teams start with a simple linear pipeline: build, test, deploy one after another. When you need to build for Linux and Windows, the jobs run back-to-back, doubling the total time. This sequential approach becomes a bottleneck as code bases grow and more environments are added. Jenkins offers a declarative way to run stages in parallel, letting multiple agents work simultaneously. We'll also use the checkpoint feature, which saves the pipeline state, so a failed build can restart from that point instead of from the beginning. Here's the Jenkins file we'll use. The pipeline starts on any agent. Then the build stage declares a parallel block with two inner stages. Linux runs a shell command, and Windows runs a batch command. After both finish, we place a checkpoint named after build, so any later failure can resume from here. When using parallel stages, limit the number of concurrent agents to avoid overloading your master. Keep each parallel job lightweight to reduce startup time. Checkpoints consume disk space, so clean them up regularly and avoid placing them inside tight loops. To recap, parallel stages cut build time dramatically, and checkpoints give you resilience against failures. Try adding these to your own Jenkins pipelines, and you'll see faster, safer builds. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit the like button, subscribe for more DevOps content, and let us know your questions in the comments.